Okay, Bean Beauties. You know, I've been telling y'all, I've been kind of dabbling in different zip codes that I don't belong in. And so this next item I did purchase from Lady Badger, and I was so lucky. It was a personal, out of her personal collection, and I decided to go ahead and grab it. I don't know what's wrong with me. It was for a fantastic price. She gave it to me for a fantastic price. So if you are interested in what I have, then come on back in just a second. Okay, Bean Beauties, we are back. So I purchased this from Lady Badger. Oh, this is another one that it's hard to find the dates. I want to say it's back in April. I don't know. So it is definitely, I'm excited about this. Oh my gosh. I need to get it ready for y'all. Okay. Although I don't know how to, I don't know, it's a puzzle. Okay. Oh, okay. All right, so let me do this and then I'll show you what I'm doing, okay? So, ready? Ready or not? It's a Burberry tote. It's a Burberry tote. So the straps come off of the Burberry tote. Here is the Burberry symbol there. Here is the inside of the bag. It has, what is this? All this, I guess this is also a strap. The strap. Let's toss that there. And here's the inside, and it's the blue label. The blue label. So it says Burberry London, the blue label.
Hi, Bean Beauties. According to my limited research on Google, yes, I did research, the blue label was created specifically for the Japan market. However, in 2015, Burberry pulled the license from the program in Japan, and what I could not tell is if it's still currently being made just without the backing of Burberry, or if it's not being made, and I that kind of got muddled. But in case you didn't know what the blue label was, it was made for the Japanese market, and it's a downline, a diffused line of the Burberry line. So it's a more affordable line, like you would purchase, in my opinion, like a department store or something kind of like that, I'm guessing. Okay, just thought I'd give you a little bit of tidbit of information and let y'all know that sometimes I do some research. Okay, thanks.
It does have a zipper pocket in the back. It has the 2 slip pockets here. So let's see. Right here, I think there's magnets. So yeah, the magnets, are they, I don't know what the magnets are for. Okay, so let's try to put this together. I might have to go back and watch her video to see. Okay, go here. Okay, go hair strap there. And then you put, these actually are easy to open. That's good. That's good for my fingers. Here. Okay, there we go. So there's the tap handle of that. Oh, okay, and here are the sides for the strap. I'm telling you, it's been so long since I got it that I didn't even remember. So here is the strap there. Another strap here. There we go. And then this is adjustable. It is a crossbody, but it doesn't look like it's that, well, it's more of a shoulder bag. Let's see if I can use it as a crossbody. I might need to do a extender. It's not too bad, but I probably would feel more comfortable if I had an extender. It's actually not too bad. It doesn't feel too bad. It just kind of depends on how much I put in it. But I like that it's a top handle. It's not going to fit me. Yeah, it's not going to fit me as a shoulder bag, but it'll definitely fit me as a crook of the arm. Handheld. You put it here, carry it here. It's very cool. very, very cool. So she showed it and it was a good deal. She gave me even a better deal. So I was like, how can I pass it up? It's a Burberry. It's a Burberry. And it was part of her personal collection. So I know, you know, she took care of it very well. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Thank you very much for coming by and visiting. And might see my first Burberry. Burberry. I don't know what's gotten into me, y'all. All right. Oh, yeah, before I say goodbye, I got to do the YouTube stuff. Don't forget, if you're so inclined, to please subscribe to me. Please like, leave me a comment. If you will leave me some froggies, down, so I'll know that you stayed to the end. That'll let me know that you're here with me for the long haul, and I greatly appreciate it. Check out my description box and down below. There is a link to the membership, the Beanbeauti membership that we have for some extra content, extra perks that you're welcome to partake in if you're part of the group. It's a minimal amount, like maybe $5 a month or something like that. I also am selling some Beanbeauti merchandise. You can reach me at beanbeautibagsit@yahoo.com, or reach me at beanbeautibagsit on Instagram. Any support that you give me, I greatly appreciate it. I thank you so much for being part of my community, just being here and spending time with me. It's such a pleasure. It's such a pleasure. So just remember that if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can always reach me at my email or my Instagram. I'll be happy to talk with you. Alrighty, Bean Beauties. Love y'all. Bye-bye.